So you group the x's together, you group the y's together, and you put your plus boxes in. You move the number to the right side. Now, before you can complete do a plus box on that first one, you have to take out the 9. So it's x squared plus, so this is going to be plus 16x. And what's half of 16? What's half of 16? 8. And 8 squared is 64. But on this other side, you're going to multiply 64 by 9. So on the other side, you're going to put in a 576. Everybody get that? Then you're going to do minus y squared minus 14y. And here that y is technically not naked. So you take out a negative 1, and then you do y squared plus 14y plus 49 equals negative 302 plus 576 minus 49. Because remember, you got to multiply it by the negative 1 on the outside. Equals 225. And you divide everything by 225 to equal 1. And 9 divided by 225 is going to be a 25 down here. So it's going to be x plus 8 squared over 25 minus y plus 7 squared over 225 equals 1. So you group the y's together. They're the positives. So you group the y's first and then the x's, because the x squared is negative. And then you move the 324 to the other side as a positive 324. Now you have to factor out this 9. So you have y squared minus 4y plus 4 would be what's in the box, half of 4 squared. And then you take out a negative 4, and you have x squared minus 8x plus 81, I believe. Somebody check me on that. And on the right side, you still have the 324. And then you have to do 9 times 4, which is 36. And then negative 4 times 81, which is a negative 4 times 81, negative 324. Oh, that's easy. Look at that. The 324s bite the dust. And now you have 9 y minus 2 squared minus 4 x minus 9 squared equals 36. Can't have a 36 over there. Have to have a 1. So we divide everything by 36. And you get y minus 2 squared over 4 minus x minus 9 squared over 9 equals 1. Okay, so when I took the negative 4 out of 72, it's a plus 18. So this is a plus 9 here.